So I heard something in a podcast the other day, and Liz Gilbert, the author of the book Big Magic, said, time is something you make, not something you find. And it made me think that these words that we use can be quite powerful. If I were to say, I need to find time to spend with the person I love, I need to find time to spend with the person I love, this is kind of a negative connotation. I have to find it, it's lost. I need to kind of struggle to work out where it is. But if I say I need to make time for the person I love, then for me that is much more positive. I would much rather someone say, I'm going to make time for you, rather than, oh, I'm going to find time for you. You can hear from the tone of my voice, oh, I'll make some time for you this week, or I'll find some time for you this week. So when we think about our practice, time for practice is not something that we find, it's something we have to make. Maybe we have to make it by making sacrifices. There are only so many hours in the day, and so we can't do everything. We absolutely cannot do everything on our to-do list. It's kind of an impossible task. So in order to make time to practice, maybe we have to give up some time from something else. We have to sacrifice some time from some other part of our life. And so only you know what those things are that you are willing to sacrifice for time to give to your music. But I think this idea of making time, of actually creating the time in the schedule that you have, creating the time out of the life you have right now, is really powerful. If you continue to say, I'm going to find time this week to practice, well, the time could stay lost for the rest of the week and you never find it. You never find it. So you actually have to actively make the time to practice. Hi, I'm Erica. I am a musician and music teacher, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more practice tips, motivation and inspiration. And also share this video with any friends who are also practicing music. And finally, if you like, you can stick around for a short meditation at the end of this video to prepare you for a great day's practice. So happy practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So we're going to take a few minutes to prepare for practice, to relax the body and the mind. You can take out your instrument, have any music, books, pencils ready. Then you can sit or stand, with your instrument or without. And we're going to start with a soft focus in the eyes. Bring your awareness to the space you're in. Notice any sounds in the room, any smells. And then with the next exhale, closing the eyes. And we bring our awareness in to our bodies, feeling the weight of the body on the chair, or feeling the feet connected with the floor, maybe feeling the instrument in your hands, its texture under your fingers. And then bringing the awareness further in still to the breath and to the place where you feel it. Maybe the nose, the throat, the chest, the diaphragm. Feeling the rise of each inhale and the release of each exhale. And as you notice the breath, on each exhale, letting every muscle in your body release just a little bit more. Each exhale brings more relaxation to the body and more stillness to the mind. And if thoughts arise, just let them do what it is they want to do. Maybe they float by, maybe they stay. Just bringing your awareness back to the breath, back to each inhale and to the release of the exhale. Every breath, relaxing the muscles in the body just a tiny bit more. And then bringing the awareness back out to the body, to the weight of the body in the chair, the feeling of your feet connected to the floor, the feeling of your instrument under your fingers. Then bringing the attention further out into the space, noticing any sounds in the room, however small they might be. And then gently blinking the eyes open, ready to start practice for the day.